In this video, we'll discuss the route mapping tool in ITICnxt. The route tool lets you create long and narrow excavation entities, and can be used to create a straight line entity or one with multiple turns in it. If you're doing a utility line installation in a new area, or repairing a cement walkway path that doesn't run along a roadway, this is the tool to use. Select the Route tool from the Drawing Tools menu. Before you start drawing your route, you will need to enter information about the dig site. Once you have entered the required information, click on the map to start drawing your route. If your route turns at any point, click again to add a pivot point. Continue clicking until you reach the end of your route. Double-click the final point to finish drawing. You can place additional route entities in the same session. Remember to update the dig site information if necessary. ITICnxt will automatically derive marking instructions from your mapping. Thanks for watching.